Dr. Qaisar Ali Associates is a civil engineering consulting firm duly registered with the Pakistan Engineering Council. Our firm specializes in providing high-quality structural and earthquake engineering services through our team of experienced and professional engineers. We are dedicated to delivering exceptional results that meet or exceed our clients' expectations. Led by Dr. Qaisar Ali, our chief executive with over 30 years of experience in the field. We have recently expanded our capabilities with the adoption of the latest technology, including the use of Revit for drafting and modeling. With this technology, we are able to provide more accurate, efficient, and cost-effective structural designs that are customized to meet our clients' unique needs and requirements. At dqa, we believe that effective communication is key to successful project outcomes. We work closely with our clients throughout the entire design process to ensure that we fully understand their needs and preferences, and to keep them informed of progress at all times. By maintaining proper coordination with architects and other professionals involved in the project, we are able to achieve a balance between structural and architectural concerns, resulting in safe, functional, and aesthetically pleasing designs. We are committed to continuous improvement and staying up to date with the latest advancements in the field of structural engineering. Our team of experts uses state-of-the-art analysis procedures and tools to effectively quantify the demands on structural members and to proportion structural members for safe and economical design in line with standard codes and practices. We take pride in the quality of our work, and our meticulous attention to detail is evident in the high-quality drawings that we produce. Our structural drawings are drafted with the intent of making them convenient for field execution, while bringing economy to the project. At dqa, we are dedicated to customer satisfaction and ensuring that our clients receive exceptional value for their investment. Thank you for listening. Contact us now to get free initial consultation.